Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Everyday English. Today is a special day. We are starting a new series. This series is called Storytime. In Storytime, we will listen to new stories, simple stories, fun stories. Today, we will listen to our very first story. The story is about a girl. Her name is Lily. The story is called Lily and the Lost Key. Please listen very carefully. Listen to all the words. Listen to all the sentences. Try to follow the story. It will help you learn new words. It will help you understand English better. Let's start our story. Once upon a time, there was a girl. Her name was Lily. Lily was a happy girl. She had bright eyes. She had a kind smile. Lily loved to write. She loved to draw pictures. She had a special notebook. It was not just a notebook. It was her diary. Her diary was very, very special. It was small. It was red. It had a soft cover. And her diary had a lock to keep secrets safe. The lock needed a key, a tiny, shiny key. Lily loved her diary very much. She wrote in it every day. She wrote about her day. She wrote about her friends. She wrote about her dreams. Every evening after she finished writing, she used the key. She put the key in the lock. She turned the key. Click! The diary was locked. Her secrets were safe inside. Then she put the key in a special place, a very safe place. The special place was a small blue box. The blue box sat on her nightstand. A nightstand is a small table next to her bed. Lily felt happy. Her diary was safe. Her secrets were safe. One sunny morning, Lily woke up. The sun was shining. She felt happy. It was Saturday. No school today. She wanted to write in her diary. She wanted to write about her dream from last night. She thought, I want to write about my dream. It was a funny dream. So Lily stretched, she yawned, she smiled. She looked at her nightstand. She saw her red diary. Oh, my diary, she thought. Time to open you. She reached for the small blue box, the box where she kept her tiny, shiny key. She opened the box. She looked inside, but the box was empty. The key was not there. The tiny, shiny key was gone. Lily's smile disappeared. Her eyes became wide. Oh no, she said. Where is my key? Lily started to look for her key. First, she looked on the nightstand. She looked under the blue box. No key. She looked on her bed. She lifted her pillow. She looked under her blanket. No key. She got out of bed. She looked on the floor next to her bed. She looked under her bed. It was dark under the bed. She used her hand. No key. Lily felt a little worried. Her diary was locked. She could not open it without the key. She started to look quickly. She looked everywhere in her room. She looked on her desk. Her desk had many papers. It had many pencils. She moved the papers. She moved the pencils. No key. She looked in her toy box. Her toy box was full of toys. She moved the toy cars. She moved the dolls. No key. She looked in her closet. Her closet was full of clothes. She moved her shirts. She moved her pants. She moved her shoes. No key. Lily sighed. A sigh is a sound you make when you're tired or sad. She felt a little sad now. Where can it be? She thought. Her room was now a little messy. Clothes were on the floor. Papers were on the chair. But still, no key. The tiny, shiny key was still lost. Lily decided to look in other rooms. She went to the living room. The living room had a big sofa. It had a big TV. She looked under the sofa cushions. Cushions are soft pillows on a sofa. She felt with her hands. She found a small coin. She found a lost button, but no key. She looked under the rug. A rug is a soft carpet on the floor. No key. She went to the kitchen. The kitchen was clean. She looked on the kitchen table. She looked near the sink. She looked near the fruit bowl. The fruit bowl had red apples and yellow bananas. No key. Lily felt more worried now. She started to feel very sad. Her mother walked into the kitchen. Her mother had a kind smile. "Good morning, Lily," her mother said. "Why are you sad?" Lily's eyes were big. "Mommy, my diary key is lost. I cannot find it." Her mother hugged Lily. A hug is a warm squeeze. "Don't worry, sweetie. We'll find it together. Where did you see it last?" Lily thought hard. She tried to remember. "I wrote in my diary last night, and I put the key in the blue box. I always do that." "Did you do anything else last night?" her mother asked. Lily thought. She closed her eyes. She tried to remember every small thing. Lily thought and thought. Last night, after writing in her diary, she remembered one small thing, a very small thing. "Mummy," Lily said, "after I locked my diary, I was very tired." "Yes?" her mother asked. "I went to bed, and before I slept, I read a book," Lily said. "A book?" her mother asked. "Which book?" "My big picture book, the one about the little green frog." "And where is that book now?" her mother asked. Lily ran back to her room. Her mother followed. The big picture book was on her bed. It was open. Lily remembered. She was reading. She felt sleepy. She closed the book. She put it on the bed. She looked at the book. The book was thick. She carefully opened the book. She opened the pages. And there it was, hidden between two pages, the tiny, shiny key. It was shining brightly. Lily gasped. A gasp is a sound you make when you are surprised. "Oh, here it is," Lily shouted. She felt so happy. Her mother smiled. "See, Lily? It was hiding in plain sight." Lily carefully took the key. She looked at it. It was safe. It was found. Lily held the key in her hand. She felt a wave of happiness. She walked to her nightstand. She picked up her red diary. She put the tiny shiny key in the lock. Click! She turned the key. The lock opened. Lily opened her diary. She saw the empty page, a new page. She took her favorite pen. Her pen was purple. She started to write. She wrote about her lost key. She wrote about her happy search. She wrote about finding the key. She wrote about her kind mother. She wrote, "Today, my key was lost. I was sad, but I found it. I must be more careful with my special key." Lily felt very happy. Her secret diary was open again. She learned a small lesson. It is good to be careful with important things. And it is good to remember your actions, step by step. And it is always good to ask for help when you are lost or when something is lost. Lily closed her diary after writing. She smiled. This time, she put the key back in the small blue box, and she closed the box firmly. She felt peaceful. Her secrets were safe. Her key was safe. The sun was still shining outside. It was a beautiful Saturday. Lily felt ready for a happy day, all because she found her tiny, shiny key. What do you think about Lily's story? Did you like it? Have you ever lost something important? What did you do? Did you find it? Think about your own experiences. That was our very first story, Lily and the Lost Key. We hope you enjoyed listening and learning many new words about daily life, searching, and feelings. Remember, listening to English stories every day is a fantastic way to improve your English understanding. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our stories. If you like this first Storytime episode, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Everyday English for more great lessons and stories, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more videos for you. Thank you for listening, and we will see you in the next Storytime or Everyday English video.